Okay, so I just got this projector in the mail. I received it for free in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. So let's open it up and see what we got. It was packaged super well. The projector is protected by foam. You have all these cables in a box here on the side. Of course, your standard video and audio cable. Got your plug and HDMI cord. And it also comes with a remote. User manual, that'll be helpful. And of course, the device itself. And here it is. Looks like it's well built. Mine came with just a little bit of scuff there. Probably just because this is a review model. Looks fairly simple to use. Got your buttons on top. That's where you plug in the power. Says don't get it too close to the wall on this side. Needs room to breathe. Here's where you can plug in both headphones and also the AV cord. Or on this side you have the HDMI ports and also a USB port. You have a few options there in terms of what to stream from, whether your phone or a DVD player or even a computer. Depending on your device, there's various ways that you would actually do screen mirroring and stream directly from your device. So we're just going to plug it in right here. Then to turn it on, you're just going to push the power button right here. And you can see it coming up already. Got these dancing dots for a second. And then it'll eventually load this. It's a little blurry right now, so you can adjust that using this dial right here on the side of the projector. Much better. And this is in full office light, and I can see it really well. So it's putting out a good amount of light, which is really good. So I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see it a little bit better. With that light off, it really looks good. And you can adjust each of these so that you make a rectangle on the wall. That's looking pretty good for now, so I'm gonna exit out of that. You can do all kinds of things with this. Connect your iPhone, use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Lots of options, very cool. Of course, you have the traditional ways to connect as well. AV cables, HDMI. You can connect to Wi-Fi. We're connected. We're gonna try to connect via Miracast. Looks like it uses this app called eShare. You can use it in various ways, connected to your smartphone. Very cool. Works great with YouTube. Because a vision softly creeping. Just a really nice picture, really nice sound coming from the projector as well. Now it does have just a little bit of a hum, but if you're watching a movie, listening to music, that's just gonna fade into the background. You're not gonna hear that. As far as these projectors go, it's actually pretty quiet. Not silent, but pretty quiet. And overall, great picture, great sound. I like it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.